Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am V. Shailaja, studying in class 8 of Amrita Vidyalayam. Now I am here to share my views on the 6 themes of IMCT. I am glad to share my views on these 6 themes. In this COVID pandemic situation, we and people all over the country and world were house arrested for past 6 or 7 months. We got the opportunity to praise and respect the nature at home by doing Prakriti Vandanam and get more human values by doing Pratyaksha Vandanam.
We have to pay attention to the nature. Like nature, paying respect to the humans in front of us is also very important. We can understand this deeply from Pratyaksha Vandanam. Pratyaksha Vandanam 1. Inculcate family and human values. Matrupitru Acharya and Aditi Vandanam. Our parents brought us to this world and takes care of us that no one can do. As a human, every child have to respect their parents. This time we will be doing puja for our parents or grandparents, teachers and unexpected visitors. We have to obey all the elders as they are experienced one. Teachers or gurus enlighten us in our life and they play an important role in every student's life. By Aditi Vandanam, we can understand that we should respect the guests and welcome them with a happy face.
Pranams to all. I am P. Mitra of Class 8, Amrita Vidyalayam, Senior Secondary School, Nesapakam, Chennai. Today, I am going to share my thoughts about inculcating family and human values. Mata Pita, Acharya and Aditi Vandanam. Mata Pita Vandanam. Connect between us and our Mata starts from the womb, even before we are physically born into this world. It explains why our Mata is first in the order of worship. Our Mata, through her soothing touch, nurtures us with goodness and boundless love. She is the embodiment of love and compassion, nourishes us at every stage of our life, understands our need and ensures the same even at her own sacrifice, and cannot be equaled with anyone, be it any gods in their incarnation or acharyas like Adi Shankaracharya sought the blessings and love of their mother in every stage of their life. Our Pita, with his own knowledge and experience, handholds us to lead in the right path, safeguards us from the perils of the society. He lifts up when we fall and pats on our shoulder when we succeed. He lives all his life to give us the best comfort. He is the embodiment of confidence. His presence is sufficient enough to evoke confidence to achieve great things in life. Our father is a role model through his own living. Pita always looks at his children to accomplish more than what he is. Adi Shankara's search in spirituality began from his Pita's guidance. Acharya Vandanam. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. This one sloka that we have been reciting for ages talks wide and deep about the reverence we place for the Acharya in our life. We worship even God as Guru in most places. Acharya is one who leads us from ignorance to knowledge. In Tamil, Acharya is called as Asiriyar, which Asu Ariyar, which means one who does not have any flaw. In other words, one who is complete. Chintamani, a rare and precious gem, is known for its exceptional quality to transform any object into Chintamani when touched, whereas Acharya is one who transforms his disciples more than the Acharya himself. Therefore, Acharya is revered more than the rarest of gems. Without Acharya's blessings, one cannot accomplish the true purpose of life. It is with this great objective and to pay gratitude, tributes to the most revered Acharya, Guru Purnima is observed in our tradition. Beyond knowledge, Acharya transfers to his disciples obedience, self-discipline, realization of self irrespective of faith and religion. To sum up, Acharya Vandanam is everything to make us complete and progress. Aditi Vandanam. Aditi Devo Bhava. Says our tradition, a guest, Aditi, is to be revered as God. It is strongly believed that God visits us in the form of an Aditi. World-renowned Tirukural says Aditi Vandanam is so sacred that utmost care should be exercised not to hurt in any form. It further says Aditi Vandanam is so sensitive that it is equivalent to Annicham flower that would instantly shrink when we smell. Our tradition is known for its great hospitality and prominence for the Aditis. We should consume food only after the Aditi is served completely. We should sleep only after Aditi needs are comfortably taken care. So important is Aditi Vandanam. This broadens our mind, improves our capability to be accommodative, enhances our patience, and above all, it expands our heart to love everyone unconditionally. With deep sense of gratitude, I thank all my teachers, the principal, for bestowing me with this great opportunity. Upholding one's tradition, transferring knowledge are primary duties of an individual. IMCTF has played a pivotal role in making these happen today through me. I place on record sincere thanks for the same. Wish everyone Sandranandam and Ayur Arogya Saukyam. Thank you. Om Namah Shivaya.